What's the best thing to do this morning during a snowstorm in New York? It's a lovely time to walk in Manhattan and enjoy the city turn into a winter wonderland. The snowstorm started yesterday, and this is how my neighborhood looks like when I stepped out from my apartment. We are now in the Washington Square Park. It's gusty and very cold at 16 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's still so cool to be out right now. As you can see, the kids, adults, and their pets are frolicking in the playground filled with powdery white snow. There are so many fun things to do in the snow, but for now I'm happy to just walk around and enjoy the sight of fresh snow on the streets of New York City and people in a jolly mood. I know it's so cold, but I'm properly dressed and I'm wearing the right winter shoes, so I don't mind the long walk. I had been through several snowstorms in New York, and each time I had to go to work. But this time I'm off from work and I'm so glad I get to see the city. And this is my first time to see Times Square during a snowstorm. Most of the stores, restaurants, and Broadway shows are open today, and the New York City subway is running. Let's go to the Central Park. I'm not in the clouds, but it's to the Central Park. There's 7.5 inches of snow in Central Park now, but in some parts of Long Island, they're expected to get 18 inches of snow.
Who's having a happy day?
Oh, you know, we can't just take
This is amazing! Look at this! Central Park is all blanketed in white snow. You're in Alaska!
What?
You're in Alaska!
I mean, kind of. I got so
Nice! It's exhilarating to sled in the snow, but no sled, no problem, as you could use a piece of cardboard as sled. After a very long walk and seeing all of this snow, I'm craving for Filipino halo halo. But we'll do that later, and let's continue with this vlog. So that's New York City turning into a winter wonderland. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit with your frost nip finger the like button and subscribe.